find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop over the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come and now follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come and now follow my lead. Come and now follow my lead. Baby, you should know for the first place that I saw you, I just can't imagine that I really fall for something new. When you look at me, baby, I know that you want me to. Let's try something out, you and I gonna love to do. Your pants, your jacket, and even your physics too. When I am with you, I just don't know how and what to do. When you shake your body, you just make me fall in love with you. All I say is now, I'm in love with the shape of you. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. I'm in love with your body. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. I'm in love with your body. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Let me take you for a drink and listen some music too. We can have a conversation on relating me and you. All the thing I want for you to be with me infinity. Forget all the bad things, even all the negativity. We talk hours and hours about sweet and so, and how your family is doing okay. Leaving, get in the taxi, kiss in the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm